Problem we have in this elantra is that the bulbs, they keep burning, the brake lights. They keep burning because the car is sending too much power. So I don't know if there was a recall, but they do have that defection. So to fix that, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna add one of these resistor, one on both sides. So we're gonna find the wire that is fitting the brake light, not the parking light, just the brake light. I'm assuming it's gonna be the red one. So we're gonna put this from the black to the red. So this is gonna control the power. So anytime the car try to peak more and send more power to the bulb, it's not gonna happen. That thing is gonna control it right there. It's just gonna be in one speed. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect that, and then I'll get back to you. Because right now this car got no brake at all, no brake light. Only the top one is coming on. Okay, so we weld the resistor. So it's a 50 watt 6W. It's 50W6RJ. So you can look for that on eBay or Amazon, whatever, easy for you. And then what I did, I welded to the red one, the blue to the red, black to black. Now, and then I put a new pair of bolts. Now we're gonna plug it in, tape it around and plug it in and put it on. All right, so we're gonna read how much voltage is coming. Let's see if I can put this right here. Let's see how much voltage we're getting without the resistor. So it's gonna be right there, and the black one here. So we're getting 12. Suéltalo. Presiónalo. Espérate. Okay, so we're getting 12. So now we're gonna plug it in, and then we'll read it again. Okay. Oops. Wrong one. Wait a minute. It's that right there. See, now we get an 11.2. So we're getting 11.2 with the resistor. Suéltalo y presiónalo otra vez. Ok. Suéltalo y prende la luz, one click. Dale un clic a la luz. Ok. Presiónalo otra vez. Good job. So now we can connect this one. Make sure both of them. I'll get them both. Suéltalo. Apaga la luz. Brake. Good. It's beautiful. So now the power, it went down and it's not gonna peak, it's not gonna go up. So now we're just gonna shoot. This thing gets hot. So this thing, you cannot leave it laying around like this. Like right now I'm touching it and it's super hot. So we gotta make sure it's away from any plastic, and it gotta be on bare metal. So we're gonna shoot it right there. Here we got one. Put a screw right there and make sure it's away from plastic. That thing gets hot. and that's normal. That's how it works. That one's right there, away from everything. Now we can close that. All right, well, thank you. Now you know when you have those problems on a Hyundai Elantra, burning your bolts like frequently, you gotta keep changing the brake light bulb. They keep breaking, keep burning out. That's your fix right there. All right, thank you.